2012 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, air conditioning, front, automatic transmission, power steering, cruise control, remote power door locks, passenger airbag, compass, power windows, tachometer, daytime running lights, heads-up display, tilt steering wheel, power heated outside mirrors, privacy glass. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Come see the car for yourself.